Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this today's tutorial is only specially built for Windows admins. So if you are ever wished for a single place to access all Windows settings, in this video I will show you how to enable God mode in Windows. This will be enabled in Windows 10, Windows 11 and other Windows operating system as well. So first let me show you what is God mode. God mode is a hidden feature in Windows that gives you quick access to over 200 system settings all in one folder. No more digging through menus and searching for the options. Let's say if you want to go for system restore, you need to go for search, write, restore, create a restore point. If you want to create a user, create a user. Then if you want to go for control panel, go for control panel and search all the settings here, mouse, everything in a different folders. So what if I tell you that you can do this in a single folder and it will be super easy like a magic. So to do that you need to create a folder. So this, copy this link, nothing to worry, I will put this in the comment section description so you can use this. So copy this and right click to any desktop and create folder and rename this with this and hit enter. So there's one more folder available here. So let me show you once again. Let me delete this, then go for creating a new folder and rename this folder with the one which I showed you earlier. As you can see, the folder has been, icon has been changed with the control panel icon. So let me show you the magic now. Hit and open it. Now you will see a complete list of Windows settings organized by categories. Everything from device manager to network setting is right here. So let's say if you want to go for default settings, or if you want to have a backup and restore, backup, manage web credentials, add clocks in different time zones, time zone settings, Bluetooth device. Then if you want device manager, or if you want accessibility settings, restore your files to the file history, change how Windows searches, everything is here. Keyboard control, keyboard settings, mouse settings, network settings, pen touch settings, and even the power options available. Add, remove programs, uninstall a program, change system date format, sound settings, speech recognition settings, storage settings, system sync, systems. You will find almost everything here. So like taskbar settings, auto hide taskbar, troubleshooting. Then user accounts, you can create the user, you can edit local users and groups, firewall settings, Windows tools. You will find everything in one folder. So this is very handy. Let's say if you don't want this thing, if you want to create a shortcut, like let's say if you want to create a shortcut for backup and restore, right click, create shortcut, hit S. Now you can see this is available in your desktop. So this is very handy tool, will be used for all the Windows admins out there like me. So I believe this is very super handy for all the users. So hope you like this video. So God mode saves time, simplifies navigation, and is perfect for power users and IT professionals. It works both in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And that's it. You have unlocked the God mode in Windows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Hope you like the video. Thank you, friends.